Recurrent unstable ventricular tachycardia or ventricular fibrillation requiring more than 3 direct current shocks per day is called electrical storm. Beta blocker is the single most effective therapy for recurrent VT unless the person is in shock. A combination of intravenous amiodarone with oral propranolol has been found to be superior to intravenous amiodarone with oral metoprolol. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. Stellate ganglion block or ablation is being increasingly used as a modality for treatment of drug refractory ventricular tachycardia. Temporary blockage of stellate ganglion can be obtained by injection of lignocaine or bupivacaine for a longer effect. Sometimes a cannula can be left in situ and a local anesthetic infusion started for prolonged effect. Ablation of stellate ganglion chemically with alcohol or surgically are feasible. Video-assisted thoracoscopic surgery is a semi-invasive option which is replacing open surgery for surgical ablation of stellate ganglion. There should be a low threshold for inserting intra-aortic balloon pump in those with electrical storm. ECMO support is useful in pediatric cases as hemodynamic protection for aggressive anti-arrhythmic medical treatment, giving a survival of more than 80%. Moderate therapeutic hypothermia has been shown to suppress electrical storms in a person with multivessel coronary artery disease. The converse is that patients with fever may have worsening of electrical storms, so the control of fever may be useful. Monomorphic ventricular premature complexes which trigger the ventricular fibrillation should be targeted during ablation of VF. The best time to take them up for EP study is during a storm, as the tachycardia may not be inducible at other times. Marking electrode positions while taking ECG will help pace mapping at EP study to get an exact match. Excellent outcomes for catheter ablation with resolution of storm in over 90% of patients and a complication rate as low as 2% has been mentioned. Here are the references on the management of electrical storm. Some more references are here. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.